Camera's rolling, and here we go.
This is not your everyday music video. In front of the camera is Houston-based rapper Paul Wall.
It's a great way for me to promote my album.
Behind the camera is director Amir Valenia.
Watching the playback.
Are you really?
Yeah.
And the camera? Now that's the story. The camera is an iPhone 3GS, just released to the public.
Let's show what we can really do with just an iPhone that's available to everybody.
They're taking that phone and using it to make Wall's latest music video, the first major artist to use a cell phone in such a way.
If we do it, this would be groundbreaking video right here. And if not, we having fun, so it's all good.
Ron Finberg is the producer, the money man behind the project. He says it makes good economic sense to use a cell phone technology.
You don't have to rent anything, because basically everybody in the crew owns an iPhone. So that cuts out your costs right there. We can go download it directly to the computer afterwards.
That means Wall's latest video could be on your laptop in a matter of weeks. But the concern is resolution. While the video looks good played back on the iPhone, how will it translate to your TV?
We're going to see how well it looks. Since it hasn't been done, I can't really say how good it's going to look. But I've been very impressed with what comes off just from the camera itself.
While the iPhone is a camera, this is still a full-scale video production with a crew, makeup, and wardrobe folk.
We went from spending $1 million on a video to spending a couple $100 on a video.
And they've replaced those big, bulky cameras with a piece of technology we all have right in our hand.